Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to copy data from one database into another. In this example we are using a SQL Server database as a source database and PostgreSQL as a target. So here we have very basic customers table that has customer ID, company name, etc. fields. I have already created source and target connections for SQL Server. Takes a while to refresh because it is getting list of the servers from the network. I'll show you the data. You can see we have some records. And if I do the same for Postgres, just click browse. I have only one table. As you can see, it is empty. In this example, I'm using import script. This is the easiest way of moving the data because we don't need to transform anything, just straightforward copy. So we need to create import script group first. Let's call it ICG, sorry, import script group, CG. So I'm going to create import script, call it copy data. Source type is SQL Server. Here's our connection. And source is table. We can use SQL as well, if it is what we want. Our target is PostgreSQL. Choose the table. Also truncate the data before importing it. Table. So you can see spelling is the most difficult part of this import script. Anyway, next, all done. See, we don't need to do anything because everything is mapped for us. So all we need to do now is to press one button, call import, and it just should work. And it did work. As you can see, we imported 91 records. We check if we actually have the data. So we do have the data, here it is. Well, if you want to schedule it, we can use this button, schedule for execution. If we can run it daily or every minute, etc. Or we can add it to workflow. Another option is to use transformation functions. But we recommend using it only when you need complex transformations, for example, like joining your data with Excel files or text files and validating against lookups, etc. But in this particular case, because all we do just simple copy data, import script is more than enough. Alright, I hope you will find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and post them there. We're always happy to hear your suggestions and implement them. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.